Hi, I'm Matt Strollo. I'm here to go over the all-new and exciting Jayco Talon toy hauler. Let's check out the front. The Jayco Talon toy hauler has the most phenomenal front end cap of any toy hauler out in the marketplace. One of the main reasons behind that is you got a high-end look. This is a fully automotive paint package on the front cap of the Jayco Talon. This costs big money. Jayco spares no cost to keep a high-end look to their toy hauler fifth wheels. The other nice thing too, as you're noticing, you got upgraded LED marker lights and enhanced accent lights in the front cap, molded right in. This coach comes with an upgraded Cummins Onan 5500 watt generator. You can power it for days. That's super exciting. You can go dry camping and not worry about power. You got tons of storage. You have side hinge baggage doors, so you don't have to wrestle with the baggage doors. You can get things in and out very easily. Tons of pass-through storage. They actually put the diamond plated flooring down below. You can spray it out with a hose, wipe it down with a towel. To the left here, they also put in cable hookup. You can actually put a TV on the outside of the coach for entertainment. Moving on, all the way up top, if you look at that awning just goes for days. It has an upgraded LED light inside of it. It's a power awning. I think it's roughly 30 feet. That's a huge awning. I've never seen an awning like that before. That's Jayco. Moving on to the entry door, you actually have a 30-inch entry door. This entry door is huge. Most brands cut you off at 24 inches. Jayco goes the distance with a 30-inch entry door. You can bring odd-sized items in and out easily. You also have a 3-tier step. 1, 2, 3. Some brands in this price point, they might give you 1, maybe 2. You don't have to be a gymnastics Olympian to get into the unit. Up top, they also care about your safety and your families. They also put an amber light just to illuminate the treads. That's awesome. That's Jayco. Up top, you're also going to notice you have the key to like Jayco exclusive. You don't have to walk around with a bag of keys to open up all your compartments. It's much more safer than any other unit out there, and you know who's getting in your unit. Nobody else has your key. A lot of the other brands have that cheap 751 key. You can get into anybody's camper at the campground, not Jayco. Down below, you also have a climate shield. This is real world testing down to 0 degrees. That's awesome. That's Jayco. I want to show you down below a little bit more what I mean by the climate shield. Down below, you also have a polypropylene, fully enclosed and heated underbelly for added insulation. You also have a tough shell lamination process. Jayco vacuum bond laminates the coach so you don't get any delamination. It's super solid. That's Jayco. That's 50 years. Coming on over to the huge, massive, gourmet outdoor kitchen Jayco provides you and your family. This is awesome. Not just is it well thought out, but the material they use is super high end. It's all metal. There's no lamination here to fall apart, so it's all solid metal. You also have a pull-out grill. Cook burgers, hot dogs, steak, whatever you want. You also have a huge refrigerator, and it has a temperature control setting on it, 1 through 6. You can pick and choose your temperature. You also have tons of storage outside. For an outdoor kitchen, a lot of times they miss the storage, not Jayco. Not only that, but you have super high quality cabinet doors with metal hinges. They did a phenomenal job on the metal hardware on the cabinet doors as well. And you also have upgraded LED lights on the inside. You also have another outlet for cable for a TV. Down below might even be more exciting. You actually have upgraded Goodyear tires. Goodyear Endurance tires. This actually comes with a 6-year warranty on the tires. Most brands put the cheapest China bomb tires you can possibly get. The Goodyear tires are made in America and they have a 6-year warranty on it. I think I said that once, but it's so important, I need to say it again. Goodyear tires, you know where they came from. Your next door neighbor built them. It's riding on America. On top of that, you also have nitrogen-filled tires. They run a lot quieter and they run a lot smoother than regular air tires, and the nitrogen also runs a lot cooler as well, so they're not going to blow apart on you going down the road. Jayco actually also puts on upgraded electric rear stabilizer jacks. There's no more cranking here. It's just a one-touch button, easy to use. You also have an upgraded Goodyear full-size spare tire underneath, away from the harmful rays. The tire's going to last a lot longer when you need to use it. Coming around the back of the all-new Jayco Talon, this is super exciting here. You actually got a huge party deck. You can put all your friends and family on the back. Coming around here, you actually have a sliding magnetic door, easy to use and super sturdy. If you pan up top here, you also have upgraded LED lights in the back, and you also have a backup camera, fully prepped, no charge. That's Jayco. I also need to go over a super important feature on all Jaycos. This actually comes standard with the Jayco exclusive Magnum Truss roof system. This roof is phenomenal. It's rated for 4,500 pounds. This roof is constructed with all marine grade plywood versus all that chipboard, particle board stuff that all the other brands use. Jayco doesn't do that to you or your family. This is rated for 4,500 pounds. It's a fully walkable roof decking. If you want to go to the races and get better visibility, you can do it with Jayco, not with any other brand. That's awesome. I love that side ladder, super easy to stow away too. Come on over. You also have an extra little storage area for gloves right next to your handy fuel station. You also have your fuel tank right next door. Upgraded unleaded fuel right there. In between the upgraded Goodyear tires on the Jayco Talon, you also pick up the upgraded MotorRide CRE 3000. That actually gives you upgraded suspension and 3 inches of vertical movement. It's going to give you the best towable toy hauler fifth wheel in the market today. That's Jayco. Let's check out the front. Coming around the other side of the Jayco Talon, you got your Furrion 50 amp power service hookup. You have your furnace outlet. Above that, you have an upgraded docking station. This is super exciting. It's really easy to use. You have a little light there. You can see what you're doing at night. You have hot and cold water for your outside shower. And there's a little diagram up here. It tells you exactly what everything's for. A baby could read this. It has your black sewer tank flush, your satellite 1, 2, and 3, city water fill, and portable water fill as well. Moving on over, you have your pass-through storage. We checked out the other side earlier, and you have your side hinge baggage doors. Makes it really easy to get to. Upgraded 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side with a quick connect for the other one on the other side of the coach as well. The nice thing here, you don't have a pre-broken sidewall. Most other brands in this price point pre-break the sidewall right here, and they put a piece of cheap gimp molding in here to make sure that it's not going to crack any further. Jayco doesn't have to worry about that. They engineered this chassis specifically for this floor plan. That's Jayco. That's their engineering department working for you and your family. That's 50 years. That's awesome. Let's check out the inside. As we come into the all-new Jayco Talon, don't forget, this unit, everything I talk about comes with Jayco's 2-year warranty. That's amazing. That beats all the competition by 1 full year. Most brands only give you 1 full camping season of coverage. Jayco's going to give you 2 full camping seasons of coverage. Every item we talk about in this video is covered by their exclusive 2-year warranty. Let's check out the kitchen. This is a phenomenal gourmet kitchen. Look at the counter space in here. This is so phenomenal. It actually has high compression solid surface countertop. It's easy to clean, easy to use. It wears very well. You also have a stainless steel sink, and it has a metal faucet. Coming around here, you have tons of storage. All the hardware is nickel plated hardware. You have plywood cabinet drawers, and it's a full frame extension on both of them. Down below, you also have additional storage. You can bring the house with you in this unit. You have tons of storage underneath the sink. And then, of course, up top, you actually have 9-foot interior ceilings. You have tons of storage. You'll have to get a step ladder for the storage in here. More above this counter. And then up top next to the microwave. The other nice thing Jayco did a phenomenal job with is the upgraded stainless steel package. Some brands kind of chintzy it up and just put plastic appliances in here. Not Jayco. upgraded stainless steel appliances. Looks sharp, wears very well, very high-end feel. Down below you also have a 16-inch oven, and you have a 3-burner cooktop with high output in the front. Down below you actually also have additional storage. 2 huge drawers, a lot more storage. That's Jayco. Coming over to the refrigerator. Again, they bring your stainless steel appliances over to the upgraded front of the Norcold refrigerator. The nice thing about Jayco's refrigerator, it's an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It actually drops down 2 inches there, so you can bring more items with you. It also has a temperature control setting on it, 1 through 5, 5 being the coldest. If you pan down, you're going to notice the American flag. The nice thing here, this Norcold refrigerator is made in America. The other brands that all the other manufacturers use typically are made in China or Switzerland. The Norcold refrigerator is made in America. You know where it's made. It's easier to get parts. We also have a huge U-shaped dinette. This is phenomenal. You can sit the whole family here. The cushions are upgraded as well. The reason why I say that, folks, is because if you look close, it actually says Jayco right there. Jayco hand makes all their own cushions in-house. If you ever have an issue down the road, you can just call Jayco and get brand new cushions. With any other brand out there, you don't know where it was made. They don't make their cushions. It's going to be hard to do. Not with Jayco. That's awesome. If I'm just going to pull out a couple more cushions here, and you're going to notice some other upgraded features. Down below, they actually use tons of plywood. That's awesome. You can tell the quality here. No chipboard, no particle board. Super thick, heavy-duty plywood. It's going to last a super, super long time. You also have accent lighting underneath their dinette. And you also have upgraded cabinet doors to get to your storage items. There's also plywood right underneath my feet. All Jaycos are made with a plywood walkable marine grade flooring. This is all upgraded, folks. A lot of brands cheapen it up where you can't see it. They put the cheap particle board, then you wonder why you got these squeaks and creaks on the floor a few years later. And then there's divots and there's soft spots. Not with the Jayco, not with the Jayco Talon. This is all plywood flooring, and rooftop. You have tons of storage, big huge closet here. Up top you'll notice name brand appliances, Furrion upgraded LED TVs, and upgraded Furrion electronics all throughout. Just before we go upstairs, you'll notice this actually has upgraded thermostatically controlled ACs. This actually comes with 2 rooftop 13.5 ducted ACs throughout the whole coach. Makes it nice and comfortable inside. The other nice thing is you can actually adjust each duct by yourself. You can open and close each one for maximum cooling temperature. Let's check out the bathroom. As we come into the bathroom, you'll notice it has tons of counter space. This unit actually has a huge sink. I hate the RVs where it has this little baby bowl in here and you really can't do anything with it. Jayco knows camping. They're going to give you the bigger sink. They also give you an upgraded backsplash. The medicine cabinet is nice as well. You actually have a solid wood medicine cabinet. It's all hardwood instead of plastic. That's Jayco. They also give you a Siphon 360 upgraded roof vent. The nice thing there, that's a lifesaver. It takes all the toxic smells, puts them outside of your unit, keeps the inside of your unit nice and fresh for years to come. If we go inside the shower, you're going to notice, I know I talked about plywood earlier, folks. Same thing in the bathroom here. Upgraded plywood flooring, nice and sturdy foundation. That's Jayco. This one also has a neo-angle shower. You'll notice how much space is in the shower. You can fit 2 or 3 people in here almost. I'm not saying you want to, but you could. This actually has an upgraded glass shower door. It's easy to clean. A lot of brands in this price point give you like a cheap curtain, not Jayco. Down to the toilet area, you're also going to notice it has an upgraded foot flush. You also have a little hidden storage in this little corner. I don't know if you can get that there, but you have nice storage for towels. As we come into the all-new Jayco Talon, I definitely want to point out the mattress. This is a big deal. A lot of brands don't point this out because there's really nothing to point out. Jayco, they got something to talk about here. You have an upgraded Simmons mattress system in this coach. So upgraded residential mattress. It's going to wear 10 times better than most of those other brands out there that put the cheap throwaway mattress in there. Not Jayco. Underneath the mattress, you also have an upgraded plywood. A lot of brands cheapen it up. They put cheap particle board here, and you can lift this up and you have massive amounts of storage. That goes for days. The other nice thing too, Jayco cares about you enough to actually put pistons on each side, so you don't have to have 3 people lift up the bed. You have a quick cool dump air feature here and right here. And of course, they're all ducted around here as well. Around the corner, you also have an extra thermostat for the AC and the heat right here. If you come over to the storage, this thing has storage for days. You actually have tons of storage above the bed. Jayco does an awesome job of the headboard too. They even put in the nice upgraded headboard just for added comfort. Above that, you also have upgraded LED lights. You can turn them off by a touch of a button there. Over to the right side of the bed, you also have a charging center. This is awesome. Even though the Amish build this, they know that you need to power yourself and your cell phone. So you have tons of extra outlets, 2 USB ports, and a 12-volt 110 outlet there as well. This garage is awesome. There's so many features. Starting up at the top here, this actually comes pre-wired for a security camera for your garage. That's awesome. I don't know another brand that actually puts pre-wiring for another camera in your garage, so you can always have an eye on your expensive toys. Up top, they also pre-wire it and put a pre-brace for an additional TV. Down below, you're also picking up a nice solid metal worktop, so a workspace there. You also have extra hooks here, so you can hang jackets and clothing and additional gear. Down below, the flooring is phenomenal. This floor is actually a 2-inch thick floor. The D-rings are rated for 2,500 pounds. That's awesome. You definitely want sturdy D-rings when you're talking about expensive toys. You don't want them jostling all over the place when you're going 70 miles an hour down the road. That's Jayco. In the back here, you also have an upgraded beaver tail. The cool thing here, a lot of brands don't cut the back of the toy hauler garage off. Jayco actually slants it down for easier transition, getting your toys in and out of the RV. You're never gonna bottom out your expensive Harley. Up top, you're gonna notice you have upgraded power beds. These things are super sturdy. I'm super heavyweight, and you can actually do chin-ups on this. This is phenomenal. That's Jayco. So you actually have 2 queen beds up top, rated for a lot more than me. Whoa, look at that. You actually have more windows in the back here. So if you want additional light, you can just pull these right off the windows. You have additional light. If you want to keep it, semi-dark in here, you can just have 1 or 2 lights on. There's additional lights up top. As we come out to the Jayco Talon's party deck, don't forget this is rated for 1,100 pounds. The other nice thing too, they put an anti-skid material on here. A lot of brands, believe it or not, they don't put that added coating on. It gets very dangerous when you're going up into the transition of the garage. Jayco cares about you and your family. Thanks for watching the all-new Jayco Talon toy hauler. As you can see, Jayco hit the nail on the head again with the upgraded 2-year warranty, the upgraded Magnum Truss roof system, the Goodyear tires exclusive 1-piece painted cap. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call. Check us out today, rv1.com. Thank you.